Hey, it's Gwen Fox, and I'm so glad that you're here. But I have a question for you because I'm at a dilemma, and I want to know if I'm alone in this dilemma. Two things. Have you ever gotten in the middle of a painting and you're thinking, I don't know where to go. I don't know what to do. I don't know, should I add another color? Should I change the design? And what do you do? Then, have you ever been in the position where you think, all right, I feel this change in my art. I know I'm changing. And this business of being in between the good and the new, and I keep painting and I keep wanting to go back to the old because it's comfortable. But I really want to know how I'm going to do in the new, but I can't quite get there. I hope I'm making sense. But if you've ever been in that position, what do you do? How do you handle it? I want to know. I want to know if I'm alone. I want to know if I'm the oddball. Let me know. And then what do you do in that? And how do you go forward? Because it's going to help everybody. I know how I go forward. I just work through it. I just barrel through it like a brick wall. And it may take 8 paintings to get to that one. And then it'll all be on the same canvas. Pretty heavy canvas. Anyway, I'm going to show you a demo where I started. It's a 48 by 48 canvas. It's oil. And I'm going to just show you the process that I'm going through, and this is the new type style. Then I haven't gone over to the old style yet. So let me know what you think. It's not finished because I don't know where I'm going with it. But anyway, let me know what you think. And I love you, and we'll see you in the next video.